Hello, Mommy T and V family. How are you all doing? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. In this video, we are making Nigeria delicious stew. This is my fresh tomatoes. I have shipped these fresh tomatoes direct from the farm. But before I use it, I want to make sure I wash it very well before I use it to make my stew. That is why I will be using this baking soda to wash it properly. Everything I will be using to make this delicious stew, I will be leaving it on my description box. I am making this stew with fresh tomatoes, onions, pepper, without tin tomatoes. I just want the tomatoes to look natural. Okay guys, so now I have finished washing it. It's time to blend tomatoes. I will just add little water to it, then I will start blending. Now I have finished blending. I will just add the ingredients I need to add. I just want to boil the tomatoes before I will use it to make my stew. I will add all the ingredients I needed to add to boil it before I will use it to make my stew. So guys, now it's time to seasoning my chicken with all the ingredients I needed to use to seasoning my chicken. So guys, this is my chicken. This is the outcoming of my chicken. Is ready. You can see it guys. Now it's time to make my stew. So I will be using extra olive oil to prepare this stew. Remember I said all the ingredients I use in making this stew, I will be leaving them in my description box. You can go and check it out. God bless you guys. This is my tomatoes. You can see the art coming. It looks so beautiful. So now I will be adding my chicken and the water I achieved from the chicken. So this is how I want it. I don't want to fry the chicken. I will just cover it for 5 minutes. You can see my delicious stew, guys. I just added my smoked fish and my merluza fish behind the camera because my kids were just disturbing. So guys, I'm so sorry for that. So I added my smoked fish and my merluza fish behind the camera. We are almost done, guys. This stew is going to be delicious. Wow, this is the outcoming of our Nigeria delicious stew, guys. You can see it. It looks so yummy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my beautiful people, for taking your time to watch this video. Please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye.